Welcome back to the Geospatials. My name is Chris Amondi and I'm going to take you through OGR to OGR. Now if you haven't watched OGR info tutorials, kindly go ahead and watch them first before you get into OGR to OGR. Now, what is OGR to OGR? So OGR to OGR is able to do spatial or attribute selection, also reduce the set of attributes. It can also set the output coordinate system and reproject the features during translation, while at the same time converting these data formats from one to another. So here is a simple synopsis of what OGR to OGR takes in, the parameters, which are either the simple ones or the advanced options. So an example of append will mean that you're just adding to an existing file instead of creating a new one. This also works in the update parameter. Just go to your terminal or command prompt and type OGR to OGR. And this is the synopsis I'm talking about. Now I'll be explaining how these parameters work as we go along the way, so join me in my next tutorial where we get into that. And guys, if these tutorials are helpful to you in any way, consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to give this video a like. Bye.